So we are now going to work on transplanting these beautiful red petunias into these baskets. There are two of them hanging, one on wheels back there. And here's what we're going to need. We're going to need our watering can. Actually, it's our watering plastic. And some nice potting soil, hand shovel, and a pair of gloves. Let's get started. So step one is you take potting soil and you fill the basket or a pot about, you coat the bottom maybe about an inch or two. Then what we're going to do is we're going to place the flowers on top of that, spread evenly across the bottom, pour some water in, and then we're going to top everything off with another coating of soil out of the bag. Now as we remove the petunias, we want to be sure to keep it intact and try to transplant with the same dirt that it's growing in right now. Mosey, are you excited about today's gardening project? Okay, so we have removed the entire clump from the pot. We're going to just set that in the center. We're going to water it, and then we're going to coat it with soil. Alright, well, it is almost Mother's Day 2019, and bearing that in mind, my lovely daughter Angelina did buy these flowers for me, and my sister helped her, Laura. And so what we've done is we've taken a small pot of flowers and we've transplanted it into our own pot with our own soil. I'm going to seal the deal with a coat of water over the top of everything. And we now have our own Mother's Day hanging basket for a very small investment, so that we can have as much beauty as we can squeeze into a hanging basket. So thank you, Angelina and Laura. Happy Mother's Day. And this is Christine signing off right now for Parted My Garden on bestviewsofnature.com. To make as much color go as far as possible with the smallest amount of investment, because we are at Parted My Garden, we did take a couple of those red petunias, potted them up, set them out here between the azaleas and the rhododendron. And because they're in pots, we can pick them up, move them anywhere, or we can see if they're happy there, we can plant them into the ground. We also made another hanging basket. We set it on the step over here to kind of give the theme of red across the front. So we may hang that one up eventually, but for now, this has been Parted My Garden on bestviewsofnature.com.